Welcome to the second half of this CFX overview featuring the CFX Rewards Plan. The previous short video focused on the CFX product line and the technology behind that product. You learned that you could access the CFX trading platform by purchasing any one of 15 trade packages. The trade packages enable you to benefit daily from the CFX trading technology. Through your daily trading gains, you are able to earn up to 2 times the value of any trade package you choose. These gains are called bear capital. Now we're going to focus on the many other ways you can earn with the CFX platform. Bull capital is accessed by referring at least one person to the CFX platform. This action unlocks several bonuses that we'll discuss in detail in this short video. We'll also discuss the benefits of rank levels and rank qualification through the leadership program points that accompany every trading package. Here's a complete breakdown of both bear and bull benefits. This example shows how one would benefit getting started with the 1K trading package. Each trade package is separated into 2 distinct parts. Bear capital is made up of 70% of the value of any trade package, in this case $700. And this is the capital that goes to work for you using CFX proprietary trading technology. As we just mentioned, your trading gains can continue to grow until you reach 2 times the value of your trading package, in this case $2,000. Bull capital is comprised of the remaining 30% of the value of the trade package, in this case $300. 30% of the value of any trade package goes towards accessing that section of the online university known as the CFX Academy. And the money from this purchase enters the CFX Rewards Plan in 2 separate ways. Half of the Academy purchase from a new trade package goes to the referring or sponsoring member in the form of a fast start bonus. And the other half of the Academy purchase goes towards a unilevel bonus. Either one of these bonuses or both may continue to accumulate until an additional 2 times the value of the trade package is reached. Before we discuss those and other bonuses in more detail, let's discuss trading results. As mentioned in the previous video, the strategic use of technology developed by CFX engineers, technicians, and professional traders to create the trading results that we see every day. Trading activity on any given day may comprise of dozens of trades, hundreds of trades, or even more, depending on how systems are interacting with various market conditions. At the end of a trading day, all results are added together and shared amongst participating members. Daily trade results are posted in members' back offices at the end of each trading day. CFX has a weekly cap on trading results of 15% per week, and daily trading results accumulate towards your bear capital. The 50% fast start bonus is comprised of half the cost of the Academy pack. 100% of the value of each Academy pack is distributed to qualifying CFX members. The intention of CFX is for each and every one of its members to be able to move through the trade package ladder from wherever they begin all the way through to a $100,000 trade package. Each and every time you refer someone to CFX, you earn a fast start bonus. And additionally, each time they repurchase the same trading pack or move up to the next trading pack, another fast start bonus is released. This creates a very unique opportunity to earn over and over from the same participating individuals you initially referred CFX to. The fast start bonus accelerates bull capital. The unilevel bonus is made up of the other 50% of the Academy sale. Whether you choose to share CFX with one person, 5, 10 people, or even 100 or more, each of those individuals that you generated a fast start bonus from comprises your unilevel level 1. And anytime friends on your level 1 choose to share CFX with others, those new members become your level 2. And when level 2 members share CFX with others, well, those members become your level 3, and so on and so forth. The unilevel is automatically unlocked to 4 levels when you first begin. So in the previous bear bull breakdown slide, if you referred someone to CFX who got started with a 1K trade package, $150 was earned by you as a fast start bonus. Additionally, $150 enters the unilevel. As you can see, levels 1, 2, 3, and 4 are 10% levels. So of $150 that enters the unilevel, you would earn 10% or $15. If someone on your level 3 sponsored a friend into your level 4 and they join with a $10,000 trading package, $1,500 would enter the unilevel. Since they're on your level 4, which is a 10% level, you would earn $150. As you share CFX with others, you begin to accumulate leadership points, and this qualifies you for rank advancements. The first rank, Executive, opens up levels 5 and 6 of the Unilevel. Each of these levels 5 and 6 are 20% levels. For example, a new member joining with a $5,000 trade package would have $750 entering the Unilevel. On a 20% level, that's another $150 for you. The next rank advancement is Manager, and this unlocks levels 7 and 8. Director unlocks level 9, and President's Club unlocks level 10. You will access an additional bonus when you become a member of the President's Club and beyond. In addition to a 5% level on level 10, you now have the opportunity to earn from level 11 to infinity. So regardless of how large and how deep your business grows organically, with friends sharing with other friends, you'll be able to capitalize on it. Ambassador is the next rank, and finally, Global Ambassador, where you can receive a 2% global bonus on anything that joins your Unilevel, no matter how large it becomes. The Unilevel bonus contributes towards your bull capital. This CFX bonus is rather unique. The 3x10 Force Matrix is for all members to benefit from, regardless of whether you're a CFX customer, only focusing on bear capital, or whether you're recommending CFX to others and also wanting to accumulate bull capital. The very first time each member purchases a trade package, they secure a position in the Force Matrix. The structure of this bonus is significantly different from the Unilevel, where you may have 1, 5, 10, 100, or even more members making up your level 1. In the Matrix, there's only room for 3 people. So if you share CFX with more than 3 friends, the additional friends will drop down below in the next space available. This is why CFX customers that refer CFX to no one still have an opportunity to benefit from this bonus, as they very easily could end up having individuals dropped down below them after they've secured a position in the Forced Matrix. The matrix grows in multiples of 3 to a maximum of 10 levels, hence the name 3x10. And the money that feeds the matrix comes from a 20% withdrawal fee that all members contribute to, which is why all members potentially can benefit from this bonus. It's very important to note that the 20% withdrawal fee is designed for disbursement into 3 bonuses. It is not meant to be a profit center for the company. 50% of the withdrawal fee feeds this 3x10 matrix. 10% of the fee is for a matching matrix bonus, and the remaining 40% is for leadership rank bonuses. Allow me to explain how this very powerful bonus works. If you look on the right-hand side of each level, there's a green number, starting at 3% on level 1, and 3% on level 2, and 3% on level 3, all the way through to 10% on level 10. Added together, these numbers total 100%. So as an example, if a member on your matrix level 4 was making a $1,000 withdrawal, 20% fee would be $200, and 50% of that would be $100. That's $100 that's entering this matrix. Because the person that made the withdrawal is on your level 4, of the $100 entering the matrix, $5 would go to you. Likewise, if a member on your level 7 was making a $2,000 withdrawal, that would be a fee of $400 with $200 going into the matrix. Level 7 is a 30% level, so you would receive $60 of the $200 going into the matrix. As your matrix begins to fill up organically with friends sharing with other friends, and everyone in your matrix making withdrawals, this begins to become a very powerful bonus for you. When you factor in the concept of each and every member in your matrix on a journey towards $100,000 trade package, which would mean much larger withdrawals, you can see the potential of this very exciting and dynamic bonus. The Force Matrix contributes towards bear capital. And also a part of the Force Matrix is a 10% matching bonus. Anyone that you've sponsored into the CFX platform, in other words, anyone that you're earning a fast start bonus from, you'll also be earning a 10% match of anything they earn in their matrix. If you notice the trade packages on the right-hand side of the screen, you can see which trade package unlocks which level in the 3x10 matrix. This is especially powerful for customers who may never refer anyone to CFX, but still have opportunities to earn within the matrix. This also serves as motivation for those customers to move their way up the trade package ladder as well, because in addition to unlocking greater depth in the matrix, each time they upgrade a trade package, they have more capital being traded and therefore are making larger daily trading gains. And of course for you, Anytime those customers upgrade a trade package means another fast start bonus and another contribution to your unilevel. This personal matching bonus contributes towards your bull capital, and therefore the force matrix affects both bull and bear capital. The leadership program is accessed when one shares CFX with others. As young teams start to grow, leadership points accumulate. The first leadership rank of executive is accomplished by simply referring 3 people to CFX, 500 individual personal volume points, and a total team accumulation of 25,000 group volume points. The dollar to point ratio is 2-to-1, so 500 PVP would be accomplished with a 1K trading package. CFX uses a 30-day rolling calendar, so to reach the rank of executive, a member needs to accumulate 25,000 group volume points over a 30-day period. The next rank in line is manager. Easiest way to reach manager is simply to help 2 individuals from 2 different lines of lineage reach the rank of executive. An additional 25,000 points that month has you reaching the rank of manager. By helping others reach the ranks that you've already reached, this is how you propel yourself through the entire leadership program. In addition to unlocking the entire unilevel and beyond through the global bonus program, you will also be able to participate in a leadership matching bonus as well, and the gains in the leadership bonus program contribute towards your bear capital. In addition to unlocking the entire rewards plan, moving through leadership ranks also unlocks rank prizes. Reaching the rank of executive, members will receive a new iPad Air. When the rank of manager is reached, members receive a his or her Rolex. Upon reaching director, a 5-star vacation for 2 anywhere in the world. And reaching President's Club, where you begin earning from the global bonus, also unlocks a Porsche sports car. Reaching ambassador earns the reward of a Ferrari, and reaching global ambassador qualifies you for a Lamborghini. Thank you for your time reviewing this CFX Rewards Plan.